Welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So, I know you're looking like, Megan, what is going on? What are you doing? And I'm not used to seeing you like this. Like, what's going on? As you can see, I do have my hair tied down, but I wanted to come on here and show you how I get my hair sleek and beautiful and nice and all the things, right? So I figured I had to do it anyway, so I would just go ahead and film it. So I just wanted to share with you guys the things that I like to do just to maintain my hair at home and things like that. So I do have an extension, so I'm going to show you how I get them to look, I wouldn't say as natural because like that's a relative term, right? But I want to show you how I get them to look the way I want them to. Right now for this look, I have videos of showing you how I do my curls. I will link those in the cards and below. I'm actually just going to make a hair playlist, so that'll be easy to keep up with. Just how I maintain my hair when I curl it, how I maintain my hair so that I don't have to curl it every day. I can just maintain it over a couple of days and I don't have to fool with the curling iron and things like that. But I wanted to come on here and just do like a sleek look, and I wanted to show you how I got that. So let's get into the video. The first thing is we're starting off with, you know, dry hair. I did take my blow dryer and I did go over it just to help sleek it down some. And one of the products that I absolutely love to use when blow drying my hair, whether that's my natural hair or extensions, is the Kenra blow dryer. It's Kenra Platinum blow dry spray. It's a advanced dry thermal protectant. I love this stuff. When I first purchased it years and years ago, I thought like, okay, like, is this hype or is it really going to do what it says it's going to do? And I really saw a difference with just, at the time I was wearing my natural hair, and that was one of the painstakingly long things that I just didn't like to do, was like the drying process. And I could use this and it would really literally cut my drying time in half. So I still use that on my hair today. And yeah, this is a really good product. It really does work, and I like to pick this up at Ulta. Typically I like to get it when they have a sale, so I'll get like a couple of them and yeah, just stock up because that's a product that I really like to use. So I use that that's the only other thing that I have in my hair. Also, if you're interested in this makeup look, I do have a video on this look and I will link that up in the cards as well as below. But this is just like my neutral glam, but that's a sidebar. One thing that I like to do if I'm doing a sleek style is to use light products. So if I either use like one brand of products, I should say. So I like using the BioSilk Silk Therapy Finishing Spray. It's a firm hold spray if I'm using BioSilk. And then I also like their oil. So if I'm gonna use the oil, I'm gonna use this finishing spray. But I also like the KERATIN infusion oil, and I also like using their Enviro spray. It's their Enviro 54 hairspray, and this is like a firm hold. It says it's a level 4 hold and it goes up to 5 levels, but I like using either these two together or the BioSilk together. Also, I like using this CANTU flaxseed smoothing hair wax. I love this stuff. I actually found this because I was using another hair wax stick, and then like for whatever reason I misplaced it, so I went in the beauty supply store and I was looking for one, and this was the one I found. And I really like this because it does lay your hair down, but it doesn't make it stiff where it's like it's not cute. Okay, another thing that you're gonna need is good old-fashioned you're gonna need some Got2b freeze spray. I like using this just to tame away flyaways. So after I go in with my wax stick, and then I'll use this. So what I like to do is just take a little bit. You don't need a lot, you really don't, because like you still want it to be you know, like silky and soft, but you don't want it to be, you know, weighed down with oil. So I like to take that on my fingers and run it through my hair. So I'm gonna actually take this off, and I'll have helmet head, but you don't need a lot because you don't want it to look patent leather, right? So I just like to rub it in and kind of like just smooth that throughout and on my hands and just kind of like smooth it down. I do split my hair in the middle because I'm not using a mirror in the back to see my hair, so I just like split it down the middle like this, kind of like following my part, and I split it down the middle, and that's what I do. You also are going to need a straightening comb. Yes, 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 a good old-fashioned straightening comb. That is gonna do the job in getting your hair slick and sleek. And one thing, you see how I just smoothed it out so that it's not like, just has that volume at the top. That's what we want. So you're going to, when using the straightening comb, instead of just using the teeth, you're gonna really, what gets the hair straight is this part of the straightening comb. So this is the part that you need. I know you might see people just combing through it, but this is the part, it's the flick of the wrist, and then you're gonna pull down, and that is gonna give you your straightness, or you know, that is gonna lay the hair down for you the way that you want. Okay, so and that's what you see me doing here. Just pressing, pressing, pressing. So as you can see, it did like lay it down some. Then I have my Chi flat iron right here. I'm not exactly sure what size this is. I don't think it says. But I like this because the plates are pretty big and it can get a lot done fairly quickly as far as just straightening goes. If you see me moving around, I'm just trying to get all my hot tools kind of in front of me instead of spread out because they were a little spread out. Yeah, so what I was saying is you're gonna need a flat iron. I have this Chi flat iron and I really do like it. I've had it for years and years and years and it still works beautifully. So you are gonna wanna use a heat protectant. Like I said, I did use the Kenra blow dry spray earlier. And I just love it. It smells so good. It smells like you've gone to the salon. But I have a Tresemme heat protectant that I like. It's in the red and the black bottle, but you know, for not having to get up and go and grab that, I'm just gonna use this one. And I have this wide tooth comb in front of me, and that's what I'm gonna use. So sometimes like I'll use, and as you can see, I have this brush. That's what I'm gonna really use to like get the hair straight and nice. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and just chase it. Chase it, chase it, chase it. That's what I'm basically gonna do. The smaller sections that you take, the, you know, more sleek of a look you will get. So, you know, just remember that. But I'm taking, I would say like kind of medium size sections. I'm not taking, they're not really small, but they're small enough to grab enough of the hair that I want to grab so that I can get that kind of sleek, silky type look. And then I'm just brushing it out, separating it, just brushing it out, and then chasing it with my flat iron. And I'm going all the way down to the tip. So it looks nice and sleek and all that good stuff. And again, this is just like a quick, simple style, especially if you're like, oh, it's wash day. I just washed it. Now I don't want to take a ton of time to have to go through and straighten it, then curl it. Like, this is the style for you. And that's kind of like how I'm feeling right now. Like, I just washed it and I want it to look nice and presentable, but I just don't have the energy to really like go through and, you know, curl it and do all that. And then it's just easy to maintain otherwise as well. So, and in that quick moment, like, my hair is straight. And you can see a difference how this looks straight and silky compared to this side. It's a little staticky. It's not staticky. It's just got more fluff, more volume. But this is nice and sleek and straight. And like, you can easily run your hand through it and, you know, all of that. It's looking cute, looking good, looking good, looking cute. So yeah, like, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish out this other side. So now that that is done, I have a little bit of flyaways, and I'm just going to use my wax stick to go over the top portion right here. And you can see where the wax stick has been placed. And then I'm going to go back in with my straightening comb and just going to kind of just like tap it down, tap it down. And then this is where your got to be comes in. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my hand, rub it together, and just gently just go down over the hair. And yep, that is it. Nice and sleek and easy to maintain and straight. And yeah, that's it. Hey guys, yes, that's it. And there you have it. Nice and easy, sleek and straight. Can really just like take your comb and comb through it. Ready for the date night, ready for the outing, the presentation, the business meeting. You're ready to go. That client call, but it's done. It's easy, it's nice and sleek. And you know, I was a wrap girl back in the day. Like, I loved the wrap. When I could actually get my hair to wrap, like, I loved it because it was such an easy style, and it really did help your hair grow because you were just wrapping it up and you were leaving it alone. It wasn't a whole lot of fuss, and this is reminiscent of that. So yes, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. It helps get my videos out to more viewers, more eyeballs, and I really would appreciate it. Also, comment down below and let me know if you have absolute things that you have to use in your routine. Oh, I didn't use my spray. Also, comment down below if you have absolute products that you have to use in your routine and when you're straightening your hair or doing your hair. Let me know. Comment down below in the comment down below and let me know if you have products that you absolutely have to use in your routine just so that you get the finished product that you like. I'm always up to like find more products and different things like that. Also, if you haven't already, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Over here, I share beauty, lifestyle, and inspirational content. And I really love for you to be a part of the family. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and make sure you're hitting all notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye now.